I'm sure a lot of women want to know this one.
Let's have it.
How do you know when a man really loves you or he just wants to have sex with you?
Ooh, that's a really good question. If he wants to spend time with you a lot, chances are he really is feeling you. He's really starting to feel that love thing about you. If he's not spending much time with you at all, he just wants to have sex.
Doggone.
If he wants to be there while you do your laundry and just do laundry with you,
Yeah.
he loves you.
Right. Now, I can't see y'all just be like loving to do the laundry.
Regular tasks, you know. He want to hang out with you to go to Target and stuff
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
He loves being around you. He
Yeah.
loves you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's cute. Would y'all? If he ain't giving you that
If
time.
he ain't giving you the time, chances are he just wants to have sex. That's it.
Yeah. Noted. What? What? Why, when your woman needs to talk to you about something serious, y'all get annoyed?
That's easy. Because your timing is bad. Y'all have bad timing. As soon as we walk through the door, y'all want to spring stuff on us. Football game is on. Y'all want to jump in front of the screen and want to talk. You want to sit down, babe, honey? No. That's not the good time to talk. We need notice in advance so we can prepare our minds.
Yeah, I see now. I learned this one the hard way.
Yes. Timing be all off.
Timing be way off. And I'm like, no, I want to talk now.
Now and long. You can imagine you sitting there, you watching the game, and she's in there talking to you. She's real serious. You're like,
That's exactly how I be too. That's exactly how I be too. Oh my God. And then you be so annoyed. You be like, are you listening? And then you just be like, Yo, and you know full well he ain't listening.
Nope.
Good God. I learned this the hard way. You do have to set up.
Yes.
No matter how much you want to talk about it right now, you gotta set up a time to talk with them.
We need time.
Good God. Okay, last question.
Let's have it.
Okay, is it better for a woman to be easy to get or hard to get?
Okay, let's break it up into two parts.
All
Okay.
right.
For her sake, hard to get.
Okay.
Okay, because he can actually get to know her as a person, and he might develop feelings for her.
Yeah.
But then again, he might not.
See. Lord.
You see, for us guys, you know, if she's easy to get, well, we love that. We love that because it's more beneficial to us. If you give it up to us easy, if you're a woman that gives it up easy, we love that. Because we don't have to waste time getting to know you, and we've already gotten what we came for. Sex.
You see? Doggone shame.
Listen, you want to make a guy work for it. Okay? You easy, then he's just going to treat you like that. It's a numbers game for us. We got to get it and go. Come on, get it and go.
What in the world?
That's why you gotta play hard to get, so we can get to know you, spend some time. If you don't let him get to know you, he's just gonna be like, okay, hit it and quit it. Smash and grab.
Wow.
I think it's a good place to leave it right there.
Lord. I think it is.
Before I get myself into some more trouble.
Exactly.
Alright guys, if there was something you heard, you like, dislike, I made you mad, made you laugh, whatever it was, drop it in the comments box below. We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah. Please don't forget to like, and share.
That's right. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Yes, indeed. And we'll talk to you next time.
Next time.
Peace.
Peace.